In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the simplest strategy how to trade flipx1 World Trade synthetic indices. As you can see, this chart is currently on an uptrend. But sometimes what happens when markets went up, it will surely comes down for a retest, and you can just spot your sell entry and either you scalp or take some candles or just 1 hour candle. So now this our horizontal line is the tool for trading. Look at the last low. That last low was our recent support zone. You don't have to go to all charts before you analyze. Just check the recent one. The recent one is our support, and the recent high is our resistance. So you have marked your support and resistance. This is a daily time frame. You can see that candle rejected that resistance. So this is how you can analyze. Very simple. And look at that middle. Just take your horizontal line, put it at the middle of your chart. Do you see it? That's the middle. Because price can come there and bounce back to the upside. So you know that that will be your TP. Then you go to your 4 hour to see more details. You can see where the price is coming from, went down, bounce back up, now hit it and it rejected. You see, it's about to come down. So as a beginner, you just have to focus more on charts to take good entry rather than just taking random trade. So you can see on our 15 minutes, you can see the supports clearly, the middle that we marked, that's our TP, and then you can see our resistance. Market is coming from there. I was not there, but I spotted the retest. You can see the clean chart coming down, and then a retest happened. That's when I take my sell position at that level. You can see that market keep breaking to the downside. So that is why I mark, hi guys, I'm a stay-home mom that trade forex and synthetic indices. I love risking small amounts of money than risking huge amounts of money, and then with time success will surely show itself where I'll be trading with bigger capital. So yeah, for now let's keep trading the little capital and make money. So I had to rotate it because this is phone. I trade with phone, I trade with MT5. If you want me to do a video on how you can analyze on MT5, you don't need a trading view, you can drop it in the comment section. So as you can see, I play a sales position, but sell limit, but it didn't trigger. I had to delete it and wait to enter manually. Can you see it? I'm so sorry that I had to rotate. Okay, that's nice. So do you see that level? That is the TP. Because you don't want to stay long. This market is on an uptrend. You don't want to sell a lot. You don't want to hold the sell for hours. You just maybe scalp or take some few candles. As you can see where we mark our middle, just take your TP there and leave the market because market is on an uptrend. From that middle, it can decide to start going up. You just set your TP at that level. So this is the easy way to trade your flipx1 synthetic indices on World Trade. The link to this broker will be in the description box. You can open this trade for just 0.10 cents. That's the position for 0.10 cents. So you can trade with just 50 cents, $1. And if you are a person that loves to take huge risk, you can risk any amount of money to open bigger lot size. So this is the progress so far. This trade literally went our way, but now it is approaching our middle horizontal line and we are about to exit. So when the market, I spot an entry, so I added 2 positions, but unfortunately I'm not going to be holding any longer because it has start approaching that our middle horizontal line. So I want it to hit $6 and then I will close. If you are a beginner or you are still facing challenges, one thing that I will advise you to do is to learn how to be disciplined. Try as much as you can to trade just once a day. In 21 days, you will build the skill and you will stay disciplined and you'll be even happy. Okay, now what's the point of taking 10 trades in a day? You take 5 trade, you win them, and then the next 5 trade you lose everything, and for the whole day you'll be sad, you'll be angry, and you'll call forex a scam because you make money market. You will start blaming the market, blaming your analysis, blaming yourself. When you see your exit point, exit and leave the market. There is always opportunity in the market. Subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss the next video. Bye.